I'm Zach Buchanan from Buchanan's Native Plants, and today we're going to talk about Christmas cactus, or Schlumbergera truncata. This seasonal tropical is actually not for Christmas season. It grows year-round, and it blooms year-round. Another great point about it, it's also kid and pet safe. So it's okay to bring indoors during the Christmas season or cold weather, or you can grow it outside on your patio or under cover all year round. Christmas cactus are epiphytes. An epiphyte is a plant that attaches itself to other plants and gets its water and nutrients through rain and the moisture in the air. With proper care, Christmas cactus can live for a very long time. Now, what does proper care look like? They're gonna like bright and direct light. So you wanna keep your Christmas cactus on the patio, under a cover, or indoors near a bright window. They don't want to get too cold, so even though they're sold traditionally during the holiday season, you want to protect them from cold weather. Christmas cactus can be sensitive to overwatering, so it's best to let your cactus dry out between waterings. And when you do water, you might consider using a fertilizer. Pick out a fertilizer with a high middle number. That's your phosphorus count. Phosphorus is more geared towards blooming plants. Here we've got a synthetic option, an organic option, and a water-soluble option. Any of these would be a great choice for your Christmas cactus. When you feed them, you want to feed them right before blooming. Any other times, just use water. Another thing to remember about Christmas cactus, they like to be root-bound. So you don't want to repot them into too large a pot too soon. This is a good example of probably the largest pot you would put a Christmas cactus this size in. Christmas cactus being epiphytes, you might also try mounting your Christmas cactus for a unique Christmassy look. We carry Christmas cactus during the holiday season, and for that reason, they make a great gift that can be enjoyed all year long. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, give us a call, reach out on social media, or stop in.